guys, welcome to Bollywood Bubble Live. This is your host Trishti Pathak, and guess who are we going to be connecting to today? It's going to be the person who played Krishna in Mahabharata. It's Saurabh Raj Jain joining us today in this live. So, if you have any questions, you can let me know. Hello, welcome
Hi,
to Bollywood
Trishti, how are you?
Bubble Live.
Hello, how are you?
All well. How are you? How's your lockdown going on?
I think usual as it's going down with everybody, same at home with family.
But what makes it the best is it brings back nostalgic memories for all of us with your TV series. And how does that make you feel?
It feels great, yeah, that the show which is so loved by all, even after so many years, people are sending in so many messages on social sites, and it's great to watch that show all together again, and that too with family, because at times you're unable to watch it with family. This time, since everybody's locked down at home, so we all are watching it together.
Absolutely. I'm sure I'm not going to be the first one to ask you this, but how do you like we just said that it's a old serial? How do you manage to look the same now? I mean, there's barely any changes.
I think my daddy has grown.
Yeah. But you look so cool. What is it that you do?
What do? Actually, Mahabharata is not that old also, yeah. I just said it. It's years back, like 5-6 years back only. I don't think.
Yeah.
5-6 years, so it's not that old also. But
Right.
I just do the same usual stuff everybody does. Little bit of exercise, taking care of food and all.
So, tell me, now that it's a lockdown and we're all sitting at home being good citizens, but there are still some people who do not get this right and they're still loitering around without a reason. So, what is it that you would say to them being Krishna ji?
No, I don't want to say being Krishna ji anything. But as a citizen and a responsible citizen of India, I can only request everybody to just see the example of all the other nations, all the well-resourced nation, what is happening to them, and I think we should all learn from them what not to do. But by far, I think I also want to say that we Indians are actually doing very well, extremely well in comparisons to other nations, and which is really good. So if we continue to do that, and also all those who are loitering around, I think if they stop it for their own good, not only for their own good, but for everybody else around them, I think we can come out of it very, very fast.
Right. So, like you just said that like we'll come out of it fast. There's this lockdown that's just being extended now. 15 दिन already हो चुके थे, and that people are already presuming that it's going to be extended further. So, how do you plan to spend your days? What are you going to do?
Yeah, my day honestly goes like I don't even get to know how it just goes because I have two babies home, and I have literally become like a playground to them. I've become their slider, I've become their seesaw, I am their everything. So they're jumping all over me all the time. So I genuinely don't feel ki, time, matlab, I don't feel the boredom of it. So it's pretty cool being at home with babies.
So now this lockdown where everybody is locked up in their houses, it's because of obviously it's a serious reason. It's a pandemic out there. But if I ask you, have you ever been locked like this before? Like, घर में कभी lock हो गए हो या घर के बाहर lock हो गए हो या maybe मम्मी ने lock कर दिया हो for some शैतानी. Has it happened to you before?
Not really, but I think when I was in Delhi once, I like there was nobody home, and I came back from school, and the keys were with me. I opened, I went inside, had my lunch, and I think I dozed off. And I dozed off for a very long time, and the bell kept on ringing, but I didn't open it up because I was sleeping. And then after I got up, I got a good this thing why I didn't get up. So yeah, that happened, but yeah, it was like that.
Okay. So now what I'm going to ask you is a little serious question, but I'm not really sure that it's going to be cool with you. But let me just ask if you have a good
Yeah.
answer for it. So, okay. A lot of people nowadays, since it's lockdown, we can't really just go out to the parks for a walk or probably just go and get ourselves some fresh air. The count of people who were into depression and stress has only grown from the time the lockdown has begun. So, how do you think one can look after their mental health in this scenario?
I think it's really, really important, all the more now that we all are like literally locked down at home. To feel sad and depressed at times, it's very human. But at the same time, it's only up to us that if we want to come out of it, it's in our hands. It's totally in our hands.
Hmm.
Like people used to go to walk. Like my mother, she walks every morning. I've seen her walking since my childhood. It was her routine. So for her to see not to go for walk, she herself for first few days she was very reluctant. She was said, "No, I'm gonna go for walk no matter what. I'm gonna go just take a walk and come back, even if she has to go like before sunrise and stuff like that." But then I tried to explain it to her that it's not advisable, it's not safe still, because we don't know from where you get the contamination and then it'll spread in the house. So it's not right. So if she could, she's over 65, and if she could understand it and not go for the walks, and she's doing walking inside home, she does it morning
Hmm.
and evening. So I'm sure we
Hmm.
all have to make certain adjustments, and we should all do it. And that's the only way. It's only us who can help ourselves. There's nothing else
Hmm.
actually.
Hmm. So, talking on work front, now, of course, काफी सारे projects side में रख दिए गए हैं because of this lockdown, and we are waiting for it to resume once things are fine. Were you doing
Yeah.
something that you had to keep aside?
Yeah, I was doing the show called Patiala Babes on Sony, and we were told that the mutual decision was taken by the channel and the production house to let
Hmm.
it go, because the standing cost of the entire set and the people involved was getting heavier. So they took that decision. Of course, we felt disheartened by it, uh, because the story itself did not culminate. In between only it had to go. But I think this is just one of the examples of so many people. In so many people's life, different things must be happening because of this. But ultimately, I think life is more important than your work. Life is more important than entertainment. So even like after a few days when the shooting will begin, I think whenever it begins, it should be made sure that it's safe to shoot, because at one place when we shoot, there are around 100 to 200 people, and it should not be taken
Hmm. Hmm.
lightly. It's a concern that we should all keep in mind. So yeah,
Hmm.
we are sad. The entire team is sad. We are disheartened by it. But this is a decision which was taken, and I respect that, because honestly, we can't do anything about that.
So, in this space, when we are with ourselves most of the times and with our families, and, a situation like this, which has never ever happened, what is it that you learn by this and you're going to keep it with you once everything gets better?
One thing I posted also on Insta, I think yesterday or day before, yesterday, I think, that once we get to go out this time, let's not take nature for granted. As in,
Absolutely.
yeah, because that's what we, I won't say unconsciously, we consciously take it for granted at times. We throw stuffs here and there, we pollute our seas, we pollute our rivers, we pollute our air. We have this tendency of eating something, chewing something, pan, masala, whatever, and put it on the road. I mean, all these things should not be taken for granted. We should like the major learning of all humanity per se should be to uh, preserve rather than making it even worse.
Mm-hmm. So now we're gonna quickly run through these fan questions because I'm sure they'll kill me if I don't read them out. There
Okay.
is the Anu is saying, "Sir, even now I was just watching Mahabharat almost more than 2 hours now just to see you. It would be a pleasure, sir, if you reply to me once, please, sir. I love you, sir. Please, sir," is what she said.
Anoop, you said, what's the name?
Anu.
Anu, hi, Anu,
Anubis.
thank you so much for all the love. Thank you so very much. Yeah, thank you so much. Means a lot to me.
So let's scroll through some more. Okay, there's so many. There's just love, love, love. Kanha, Krishna. One word for Pooja Sharma. What would you say?
Oh, she's a very, very dear friend of mine. Just abhi thodi der pehle I was talking to her, and we did 2 shows together, Mahabharat and then Mahakali. So we share a very good bond.
Okay. Riddhi says, my 9 months old son likes you so much.
Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. Give my love to the baby.
Mega, Mega sends love from Gujarat.
Hi, Megha.
There's Nishika. Nishika. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
There's Nishika from Australia sending lots of love your way.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me.
Okay, let me check if there's something interesting because love तो हमें सबको पता ही है कि आप सब करते हो इनसे. Sir, please say who is the elder one between your kids?
It's Rishika. The girl is the elder one. Acha, tell me about this stuff. What do you think we should be keeping in mind once this get over? I want to know your insight. What is your learning?
My insight.
Yeah.
My insight is that every time your parents, your relatives call you to meet them, you just don't say हम आते हैं, हम चले जाएंगे उनको मिलने, because now that you're locked, you can't see them. We value them so much, and we realize that जब मिलने नहीं मिलता तो कितना बुरा लगता है, So
True that.
never taking people for granted.
Okay, nice, very nice. Good you shared this with us.
Thank you for the question, though. That was really sweet of you. Okay, so there's just love, 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 lots of love. So एक साथ ही आप बोल दो, आप अपने fans को कितना चाहते हो, because वो इतना ज़्यादा प्यार करते हैं आपसे. I'm seriously saying there's a lot of fans following here.
I love you all very much, and it means a lot to me. You have given me so much of love in all my shows. So अगर आप लोग प्यार नहीं देते या अगर आप लोग पसंद नहीं करते तो मुझे वो shows ही नहीं मिलते. So it's because of your love. It's because of your blessing, I would say, that I am what I am. So thank you so much. I really hope that I continue to work on myself to first get good project and then do justice to the roles that I get in future.
Okay, I'm going to ask you last question. How come you are so cute? Asks Madam Oisel.
I don't know. I don't have an answer to that.
I'm sure you must be getting a plenty of such messages throughout the day, but however you gave us your time, thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you. Thank you so much. Bye,
Thank
guys.
you, thank you. Hope to interview you personally once the pandemic goes off. Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
Bye.
Right.
See you.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
So guys, that was our conversation with Saurabh. I hope you all enjoyed it. In case आपको ये दोबारा से देखना है, तो do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That is Bollywood Bubble. And stay hooked on because we're going to be coming live again with Karanveer Bora and TJ. Also, stay home, stay safe. This was your host, Trishti Pathak, signing off.